Hello! Welcome to a new episode of Homey Decor. Today I'll show you how to style your bookshelf. Remember, you can subscribe to my channel and activate the ring bell so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. Let's start with a farmhouse style. An American style with mainly washed wood textures will be a great way to explain step by step how to decorate it. I recommend to start with the middle shelves that are at the level of your site. Choose 3 items where the number 3 is the highest and lowest decorative, forming a diamond shape. Select at the top 2 medium-sized items, and at the bottom, a big and visually heavy decorative. Let's look at the example. A wooden handle holder, a piece of art, and vases in different heights, a basket, a bowl, and a decorative pitcher will be a great option. Add a terrarium and wooden letters. At the bottom, a big basket with eucalyptus plants. And this is how it's done. Glamorous classic style. This luxurious and golden look will be perfect. Start with 2 artwork pieces and an elegant vase. Then a photo frame, box, and candle holders. Choose elements of the same size for the top and bottom shelves. Select metallic and crystal decoratives, marble textures for a glamorous look. Industrial style has mainly metal and wood finishes. With practice, you will be an expert to create different bookshelf styles. For this style, begin with 1 bamboo candle, an artwork, and a succulent plant. Then, emphasize an authentic decorative with warm light, 1 medium-sized vase, add 2 elements, and finally, a big metallic item. And this is the master key to decorate your spaces. Remember, 3 items forming a diamond or a triangle shape, same size elements, or 1 big decorative. Coming up next, how to decorate your terrace. Only here in Homey Decor, your space, your home. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.